105.
And who's
in
in
105? I believe that's Mark Counting in that 105. And the 197 of Douglas Neitschwanger, he seems to be in row number 4, along with the, looks like 57 car of Jeff Watson Jr. That's your 6er heat number 2.
Green flag, and we're racing. Oh, 68 is off the pace. He's going to get a push from the 87 into turn 1. We got a Chrysler New Yorker out there, a purple 725 number Chrysler New Yorker. Look out as the battle for the lead between David Cooter. There goes the New Yorker. Look out. So it's all Pontiacs. I think there's some Oldses out there, and one Chrysler.
Not even sure if that 725 of Mike Shipman finished that lap. He tried to shorten the laps and catch up in a hurry through the chicane. But anyway, it's the 01 of David Cooter Jr. out front of that number 7 machine of Jerry Fortson. Followed by the 33 of Ryan Ford. Whether he's jamming or not, he's in 3rd. Rounding off the 87 machine of Greg Witt in your top 4. And the 197 of Douglas Neitschwanger rounding off your top 5 so far. But it's the 01 of David Cooter Jr. out of McChesney Park out front. 725 of Mike Shipman having all kinds of problems. 87, like he might have a tire in that front that could be, or some sort of suspension problem on that 725, as we've got 1 to go for David Cooter Jr., who's out front, the number 7 machine of Jerry Fortson in a tight 2nd. He does have a flat tire. Mike Shipman in that 725 blown tire.
Yeah, very hard to drive with 3 tires instead of 4, Eric.
Yeah, you definitely need 4 if you're going to run this kind of a track. And it's going to be David Cooter Jr., your winner. Jerry Fortson in the 07 machine 2nd. 33 of Ryan Ford rounding off your top 3. The 87 car of Greg Witt in 4th, and the 197 of Douglas Neitschwanger rounding off your top 5.
That was, well, we got something out there on the backstretch, looks like, Eric. Maybe that's somebody's tire. I wonder if that's a 725's missing link for his car. I don't know, but there's something out there in a backstretch. Interesting race right off the bat. The 68 car there of John Reichs was off the pace, and it just got crazy from there.